Hello my friends, I hope you guys are having a great day. So today we're unboxing Outdoor Masters bike helmet. Now I like to ride my e-bike and my e-scooter a lot, so I'm very curious to take a look at this helmet, see how I like it, see the fitment of it. Okay, so it does have a quick release strap. So what's nice about this helmet is there's a built-in LED. So if we press it, you guys can see here, there's a couple modes on here. So in person, you can definitely see it better than on camera. On camera, it's not as bright. So there's a lot of different modes that you can select. I mean, a whole bunch. I don't know if they I don't know if they needed all of these modes. There's definitely a lot. Press and hold to turn it off. And it's charged with the Type-C cable. They give you the cable as well. So there's no batteries that you have to put in. Now, I hate to mess up our hair, but for you guys, we'll do it. Oh, that's nice fitment. So, adjustable strap. It's actually really nice. Fits really nice. So you can easily feel in the back here to turn it on and off. So that's nice. Let's see if we can get this camera angled here. You guys can see it better. So this one pretty much protects, you know, the main part of your skull. Definitely fits nice. It's actually comfortable too. So it's actually soft enough and comfortable enough. Let's take a look at the padding underneath. Well, there goes our hair gel. So you have this mesh padding underneath in here. Let's rotate this down. So right here, you see this? You see this black in here, right up in here, up top here, right up through here. This is all mesh padding that's velcroed in and can be removed for washing. On the back, to make this helmet tighter, you just have to turn this. So there's this little wheel on the back here, and you just turn that to make it tighter or looser. So that will make it tighter around your actual head. But overall, it's nice. Now this is a medium. You know, the medium seems to be good size. Maybe it doesn't come down as low, so maybe we'll go with a large. But overall, really nice. It's really nice. There's also a visor that comes with it as well, so that's pretty cool. Let's see how hard that is to put in. Oh my word. That's easy. That's quick. It's magnetic. Wow. So you just line up the grooves and that's it. Awesome.